Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video. In today's session, I'll be showing you guys how to add an affiliate to your seller store or product. So most importantly, I'll also show you guys how to get affiliate marketers that will help you promote your products and make money for you. So ensure you stay to the end of this video so you don't miss out one bit. So let's get started. So who is an affiliate marketer, guys? Who is an affiliate marketer, and why do you need an affiliate marketer for your product or your store? So an affiliate is like a third party or a person that helps you drive traffic to your products and generate sales for you. Basically, this person helps you make sales, and in return you give him a commission, like an agreed commission. So why do you need an affiliate marketer? So as a product owner, if you want to make more sales, if you are looking for ways to sell more of your products, you will definitely need affiliate marketers. You will need to get people that are willing to market your product for you, that are willing to market your service, and in return you give them a commission for every sale they make, every sale they bring to your business. Now on Selar, you can easily add up affiliate marketers to help you promote your products or every product on your store with just some easy steps I'll be showing you right away in this video. So for you to do that, you just need to request for the email address of your affiliate, I mean the person you want to add as an affiliate marketer. So now the good thing about Selar is that you can have an affiliate from any part of the world. If the person is from Africa, they just need to add their local bank account and they'll get paid whenever they facilitate a sale. And if it's an international affiliate marketer, someone from Europe or America, you can just ask them to add their PayPal email address so that they can get their commission. And once done, Seller will help convert any sale they make to their local currency. Like any commission they get, they'll get to receive it in their local currency. So you see that Seller is a very great platform, right? So for you to add an affiliate to your Seller store, you just need to go to your Seller account and log in. So I already dropped a link in the description for those that don't know how to create a Seller account. So in case you don't know how to create one, just go and watch it and create one for yourself. So once you've logged into your Seller account, you want to ensure you are on creators profile. You can see that we have creators profile over here. There are three profiles we have here. So this is creators profile. So once you're on creators profile, so it comes to this hamburger over here and click on it. So then over here you get to see where we have affiliates. Can you see affiliates by this side? So once you click on affiliates, then right here you can see that we have bulk upload affiliates, we have add an affiliate. So once you've added affiliates, any affiliate you add will get to appear here. You can see that there's no affiliate on this account. It has no record yet. So for you, once you add any affiliates, you start seeing some records. You get to see the sales they've made, the views they've generated. Can you see? And all the commission details. So click on add an affiliate if you want to add one person. So once you click on add an affiliate, so this will load up for you. So if you have a lot of products on your platform or on your store, you can get to give them access to all those products, like they get to have access to all those products. But if it's just a single product you want them to promote or become an affiliate of, you can just click on this drop down arrow and you choose single products. Can you see? So once you choose that single product, then over here your list of products will appear over here. For this store, I have just one product here, which is one key affiliate. Can you see? So I'll just click on that. Then right here you provide the person's email. So I'll just add an email right here. I'll add my other email. Can you see? So once you add an email, so right here you have to add the commission you want to give the person. If you want the person to have a commission of 50%, you add 50. Don't add percent to it, just add 50. If it's 10%, you just add 10. If it's 20%, add 20. Whatever percentage, you write it over here. So for this tick right here, it says if affiliate facilitates sales for subscription, give affiliates for subsequent recurring payments. So this is best for those that are into subscription sales. Do you understand? Whereby if the person that subscribe actually resubscribe the subsequent month, your affiliates get to earn a commission again for that recurring subscription. But for you that you are selling an ebook or a digital product, if you tick it or not, it doesn't make any impact. For me, I usually uncheck it because it doesn't make any impact. So once you're done filling all this, so you just come over here and add the person as an affiliate. So you click on add affiliate. So once you click on add affiliate, you can see that the person I added as an affiliate, which is myself, has appeared here. You can see the commission right here. So the person is supposed to go to his dashboard and he will see this link on his end. And the person will get to receive an email. Do you understand? So if this person does not have an account with Seller, he will also receive a link on how to create an account in his or her email. Do you understand? But if this person is already an affiliate of Seller, what the person will just see is the link to the product. Also, it is important that you note that if the person is an affiliate of Seller, ask them to send you the email that they use to create their seller account, so that they don't get to like have two seller accounts or have the product on a different email. Do you understand? So ask them to send you the email to their seller account. That is the one that you now add over here as an affiliate. So to end the session, I said I'll show you guys how to get affiliate marketers that will promote your product for you. So it's just very simple. So you can just go to any social media platform. Let's assume you want to go to Instagram. So just go to Instagram. Let's assume you are selling a product that talks about how to make money online. So just go to Instagram and search for make money online. So once you search for make money online, you see a lot of accounts over there that will load up. And if you check those accounts, you notice that most of them are into selling digital products. So you can just send them a DM that, hello, I have a product I want to sell. Would you like to be an affiliate of my product? So you can just send such a message to a couple of people on Instagram, and trust me, you definitely get some people that will reply to you that they want to see your products, and if they'll be interested in selling your products for you. Do you understand? So it's just very simple. Just do that. You can do that on Instagram. You can do that on Facebook, wherever you are more active on. So if you're into selling a product on forex trading, you can just search for forex trading on Instagram. You see a lot of accounts that will load up of people that are into forex trading. So these are the best people that can actually get to promote your products for you, because they're already into the business already. Once you do that, you get to get access to affiliates that can actually promote your products for you and help you generate sales for yourself. So I guess you got value from this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel, comment on this video if you're able to get affiliates for yourself, and also like this video so that I can reach out to more people. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.